In this question, we need to create a file called numbers.txt, and we're gonna do it in write mode. So you create a file handler called file, open to create it, and then numbers.txt, this is the file name, and then comma w. W is in write mode. Then it says ask the user how many numbers they want to enter. Now we create a variable called number, we set it to an integer, and we ask them how many numbers they want to enter. Then we need to create a for loop that loops depending of the number of times that the user enters. So if the user enters 10, we want to loop 10 times. Once we've done that, we need to ask them for a number that they want to enter inside the file. So we ask them to enter another number to go inside the text file, and then we write that number to the text file. So file.write will write it into the text file. Now we have to cast that to a string because you cannot write integers in a text file. So you have to change num from integer to a string. Then you put +/n so it can go to the next line, and then we close the file. Now to remember to close the file outside the for loop. If you close it inside the for loop, it will crash your program because it will say you're trying to write to a file that has been closed. Once we've done that, we need to open the file again, but this time in a read mode. So we put the R instead of the W here. Then you put file.read. So file.read is a function that reads the file, the content of the file, and we're going to store it all in readit. Now all we do is close that file and then display it on the screen. So all the contents will be stored inside readit, so you just have to display it on the screen.